What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Indian Creator. So today I have made a humanoid. So what is a humanoid? A humanoid is a robot which looks like a human and which can perform functions like humans. So what we have used in this? So we have used a simple code of Arduino IDE, breadboard, the jumper wires, then the servo motors, Arduino Uno. So let's see how it is working. So here, let's see how it is working. So as you can see, I have turned on the humanoid and it is started moving. I have used a very simple program. So as you can see from here, it has moved till here. The link of codes is given in the description box, so you can refer the codes from there. If you have any doubt regarding this video, then please DM me on my Instagram handle. Link is given in the description box. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.